So guys, Christmas is on Sunday and I still have 2 presents to make. So I'm trying punching needle. It's the first time, so yeah, I'm going to get all the materials and I will show you guys the process. Hi guys, so yesterday I went and bought the materials, but I just had the opportunity to work on this after dinner because I had to do some last minute shopping, and yeah, I'm one of those persons that leaves gift shopping for the last minute. So yeah, so yesterday I was doing this until like 5 a.m. in the morning. I ended up fell asleep on the couch, and yeah, still have my makeup on from yesterday. So I'm going to take care of this situation and start punching with a needle, you know. First impressions, I really think the result is really nice. At first I was a little bit like, I don't know, it wasn't like going really well, but after a few tries I'm really in love with the result. So yeah, so my idea is to do my idea is to do like little purse, little bag, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I still have some work to do left, and tomorrow is Christmas night, so yeah, I'm struggling here, but yeah, let's see how it goes.